Trying to use one prototype to answer every question is the #1 mistake I see first-time inventors make, and it is easy to fall into. Are you about to do the same? Here's a better way to think about budget. It is not just about moving fast, it is about matching the prototype to the specific question you are trying to answer, and being honest about what you are still guessing on. The issue is pretty simple. No single prototype method can cover form, fit, function, material behavior, and production feasibility all at the same time. If you skip sketches, you can lock into the wrong concept way too early. If you rely only on CAD, you miss how parts feel, flex, and actually behave in the real world. And if you commit to tooling too soon, the surprises show up late, and they are expensive. So here's the playbook that consistently works. 6 techniques cover most product development needs. Sketches and paper mockups, to explore concepts, layouts, and quick options. CAD Visualization, to iterate fast digitally before you spend money making parts. CNC Machining, to prove material choices, strength, and tolerances in something that is close to production reality. Soft tooling, to run small batches of near production parts so you can test assembly, packaging, and even early market feedback. Looks like prototypes, to validate the aesthetics, proportions, and user perception. Works like prototypes, to validate the mechanism, performance, and functional risk. And the best teams iterate, test, fix, and retest, instead of betting everything on one big build. The move that really matters is discipline. Match the technique to the question every time. Separate looks like from works like, so you can control timelines and budgets without mixing goals. And lean on CNC and soft tooling when you need to prove structural, thermal, and integration realities before you ever cut hard tooling. That is exactly how we run integrated product development at Rabbit Product Design. You are led by senior engineers from day one. We have been doing this for 9 years, with over 2,000 products delivered, and our team averages 27 years of experience per person. One coordinated team can cover research and ideation, design and prototyping, sourcing and manufacturing, and even branding and marketing. And we bake DFM and risk reduction in from the concept stage, not at the end when it is painful to change. It is built to serve inventors, entrepreneurs, and small founders at a cost that stays realistic. Bottom line, match your questions to the right fidelity, validate assumptions early, and you can launch faster with a lot less risk. If I were in your shoes, I would start with sketches, then move into CAD, and only pull out CNC or soft tooling when the question truly demands that level of proof. Because if you keep using the one method you are comfortable with for everything, you will burn budget and raise launch risk. If you want one team that can use all 6 techniques end to end, reach out to Rabbit Product Design, click the link below to learn more, and if this was helpful, subscribe and follow along.